The first is I want to refer to something that is creeping, moving, and crawling. The basic is I saw the snake creeping, I saw a snake crawling. The same in advanced would be I saw a snake slithering down a rock. Okay. So other than inanimate objects, it can be also used for animate or living beings. I saw him entering stealthily or sneaking into home. I saw him entering stealthily into the office. I saw him sneaking into home. The words that could replace crawling, creeping, and moving are slithering, going stealthily, sneaking, gliding, then glissade, tiptoe, slipping into home. So all these words are the synonyms for crawling or slithering. The second is I want to address a person who is self-employed. The basic is he is independent, he is self-employed. Same in advanced is he works as a freelance. He is unaffiliated to any organization. Synonyms for freelance are he is standalone. We can also use this particular word mercenary. He is a mercenary. Actually, mercenary, the origin of this word was addressed to a medieval warrior who offered free services to the lords. So the word mercenary is also can be replaced by freelance, self-employed, independent, etc. The third and the last is the person is looking very lively and energetic. I am saying, oh, you look so lively today, so fresh and attractive in spite of traveling for long. And the same in advanced would be, you look so fresh as a daisy in spite of traveling. Okay. Other words that can replace lively and energetic or animated. You look so dynamic in spite of traveling for so long. You look so vibrant, buoyant, exuberant. You're full of beans. Oh, how come you are so bright-eyed and bushy-tailed? You are so bouncy, zestful.